magnetfeste til skrustikka. Her slipper du skrustikka av og på. Du plasserer den der du trenger den. Så skrur du den fast.
Magswitch drill press vise base greatly improves the utility of drill press vices because after a workpiece is clamped and positioned for drilling, 4 switches are turned to manually activate the magnets. This locks the vise in position without the use of bolts or clamps that are slow and can knock it out of position while they're being tightened. The base comes with bolts that drop, slide, and lock into 3 T-slots positioned for universal compatibility with drill press vices on the market. Even though the base footprint is small to accommodate benchtop drill presses with small tables, they're very strong and sufficient for large diameter annular cutters, even if the magnets are positioned partially over voids for bolts on the table.